Hello guys, here we have a power supply, a desktop power supply. It's not turning on at all. This is it. Anyway, let me just give you a quick tip and some few lessons. When you are repairing these machines, the power supplies, this is what you should check for. All right, this is a power supply, right? So here you will have your main power. Let's push this aside. So what you do, you start here from the power, you check 220 volts, and then you move on relays, and these are transformers. These are coils, as you can see. This is a transformer, sorry, these are transformers, and this is a coil where you wind the wires. So this is what you should check for. Normally these guys here, it's very rare to find them broken, but it's possible, but it's very rare. The main thing that you should look for, you start here. This is a bridge rectifier. It's checked in the 220 AC and then convert it into DC using what? Using diodes, 4 diodes. And then here, this is so important. You should check for this as well. This acts as a fuse. It's a 0.5 ohms resistor, and on the other side next to it we have a diode. Please check for that diode. This machine is not turning on. We have 0 volts on the output. I checked even here on the 5 volts and the 3 volts and 12 volts, nothing. We have 0 volts on this power supply. This is a desktop power supply. So let me show you the issue with this one. I haven't fixed the issue yet, but I want to show you the issue with this one. I connected the power, right? So when I connected the power, you start here. This is your multimeter. You put it to continuity mode. Press one probe to ground. There's a continuity, right? So this here acts as a fuse. On the output we have 0 volts. I hope you can see, but it's so important to check why there's 0 volts. Maybe there is a short to ground or what, but you have to check if there is a short before replacing this component or jumping this component. But I believe this is now working. I'm gonna change this. I haven't changed this, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this. Let me see. I believe this is a fuse, or I can't really see this component, but it acts as a fuse. Oh yeah, this is a fuse, guys. It's written there. F stands for a fuse. So I'm gonna go ahead and then replace this with another fuse, and then that's it. Anyway, I hope you don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. Sharp. I'll see you.